Hey, Testabina teachers, this is Melissa coming to you with a little follow-up from our meeting this morning. So I wanted to show you a really slick resource, and you can get to it by going to the Employees tab at the top of our home screen. And then if you come down and you see reference here, click on this PL resource site. This is all things personalized learning. And here you will come to a rich bank of resources that is changing every day. And up on top, you'll notice there's a professional development tab. So go ahead and click on that. Here you'll find some of the course and book talks that we're offering on PL, some webinars, but most importantly are those Canvas labs that I've been telling you about on the YouTube channel. And this is where Amanda is putting all those great slick tricks for Canvas. So I invite you to peruse some of these. They're changing and getting added to all the time. But this might be another resource for you as you start your relationship with Canvas. So I hope this quick video is helpful. Have a great afternoon, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care.